Welcome to Learning Og. Do you know about sharks' constant teeth? The shark's constant teeth, sharp and new. Sharks lose teeth as they swim and bite, but don't worry, they'll grow back right. Throughout their lives they lose and gain, over 30,000 teeth remain. Their teeth keep growing sharp and bright, ready for hunting day or night. When one falls out, another appears. Sharks keep their teeth through all the years. Sharks' constant teeth, they grow and fall. New ones come to replace them all. In the ocean deep, they swim with might, with teeth so sharp they're ready to fight. Each tooth they lose is quickly replaced. Their jaws are always fully braced. A new set grows as fast as can be. Sharks keep their teeth for eternity. Sharks with teeth that never stop. New ones growing from bottom to top. In the deep blue sea, fierce and keen, sharks have teeth like you've never seen. From great whites to hammerheads too, their teeth are always fresh and new. 30,000 teeth in a lifetime span. Sharks grow teeth as fast as they can. So next time you see a shark swim near, remember, their teeth are sharp and clear. The mighty shark with teeth galore, losing and growing forevermore.